To all the men out there, you matter. You matter the most, you matter a lot, and you matter more than you think and you know. So, we always talk about women all the time in the laws, in society, in movements, in voices raised high. But what about men? How do they feel when they are hurting inside, when they are deeply hurt, when they are deeply shattered? When they are expected to be fine, to be strong. Even something as simple as a sign outside washroom meant to the left cause women are always right. Why is that a joke? Why can't we write anything that lifts everyone up? Like respect for all, kindness for everyone that knows no gender. Why are men always expected to hold the door, pull out the chair, pay the bill, carry the weight? And why ladies first, a rule, and gentlemen first looks like rebellion? What's so strange about giving him a flower, picking him up, or dropping him home after a long day, or just writing a thank you note? Why is all that so strange? He deserves gestures too. He deserves to be loved, to be valued. And then comes the efforts part. Why is it always seen as extra when the woman gives more? Why is it always said that you are the woman, you are the girl, you should not try as hard as he should? Why can't I put in 100% even if he doesn't? Would that make me any less of a woman? No. Giving my all doesn't steal my worth. It defines it. Men have emotions too. They get tired, they get hurt, they want to be told, I see you and I appreciate you. But they don't say it out loud because the world taught them to stay silent, to not say anyone anything, to not share because if they do share, they will look weak and they don't want that. Yes, women have historically faced injustice and still they do, no doubt with that. But equality isn't just one way street. Times have changed and everyone deserves to be seen, to be valued, and to be respected. It is not a matter and not the pain of one gender, but the experiences of all. A man can be soft, a woman can be strong. Both can fall, both can heal. So let's stop dividing the kindness by gender. Let's start respecting everyone without any condition. Let's build a world that isn't just about who's first, but about walking together. Because equality isn't just about women, isn't for any specific gender, but it is about everyone.